Hello everyone. In the previous video I have already told you that in the next video we are going to create a web page. So this is the web page. So you just need to enter the hall ticket number and click on submit. So then the results of the student will actually fall here. So let's see how to create this a small web page so that actually shows the results. Okay, so beside that there is a button, the print button. If you can actually click on the print, it actually take you to the print window. So currently I don't want to print it, so in order to create this, so there will be a backend data. So we have to create that backend data. Okay, this is the data frame. So here I'm creating this. Actually I've created this in the Google Sheets. Okay, so in the first column I have hall ticket number, and the second column it's the name of the student, the third it's the grade and all the subjects, and followed by the remarks of each subject, and then finally the total and its remarks. If you can actually observe, you can see the different colors here, right? Secured, the blue, green and the yellow, right? So the blue one is secured, the green is progressing, and the yellow one is yet to progress. So if you let's the first student, so here she scored 45. So let's give her 30. Let's assume she scored 30. So you can see the difference, right? So previously it's actually in blue color, which is secure, but currently it actually changed to progressing, the green one, the green color. So let's give her 10. So you can see it's back to yellow, yet to progress. So let's give her 45. Assume she scored 45. So it's again back to secure, right? So it's actually based on based on a function. Okay, it's ifs function. So let's see what is it actually. So here if you can actually look at the function, here, so it's ifs. So here it's actually D2, right? So this cell name is D2. So D2, so whatever the value that is in the D2 is greater than or equals to 40, then it actually returns secured. Okay, which we are actually currently seeing in the blue color, no, that is secured. So if the same D2 is greater than equals to 25, then it shows progressing. Okay, if the same D2 is actually greater than equals to 0, then it actually returns yet to progress, right? So that is the function here. So if you can look at the colors, it's actually conditional formatting. It's actually, you can look at it, you can see that in the formats. Okay, under the format option, conditional formatting. So you can see here, so text starts with P is green, text starts with S, it's the blue, and the text starts with Y, yellow, right? So this is actually the conditional formatting. If you want to add the more rules, so you just need to click on add rule. So when you just in the beginning, if you can actually open the conditional formatting option, so it will appear like this. So apply to range, we have to select the range here, then the the rule. So I have taken text starts with, if it starts with one kind of letter, then you can actually give a color to it. There are many many rules. You can actually use whatever you want. So I don't want this currently, I just cancelled it. So, and now this part, and after total we have a remarks, right? So this remarks is need to be done based on the these 5 remarks, these 5 individual remarks, right? So if the child is actually secured in all the subjects, then you can actually give her one kind of remarks. It's currently I have given one outstanding work and followed by some text, right? So if the child is actually secured in 4 subject and one subject is the progressing, then you can just give her well done, you have secured most of the subjects. And if the child is actually progressing in all, so then you can give her one of this. And if the child is actually all yet to progress, you can actually give her which actually suits that, right? So this is the backend data. So this is our database. Now we have to create a script for the web page, right? So we have to go to extensions. Under extensions we have to click on app script. So currently I have finished a project, so which is the student results SA2 hyphen 2024. So I'm just opening it. So after opening it, so first you have to, so this is the JavaScript file, and this is the HTML code, okay? JavaScript and the HTML. So both the codes I'm gonna provide you in the in the description box below. So you just need to copy and paste the both the codes. So you can also customize your codes. So in the first, if you can open it, the app script, if you're new to the app script, it's like it will show you here there will be a plus button. You have to just add the file. So if you want to paste the JavaScript, then you have to use the script one, or if you want to paste the HTML, you have to use that. So now I'm clicking on the script. So it just untitled, right? So just copy the script and paste it here. So if you can also give it rename here, okay? And once the script is done, I'm just deleting it. Once the script is done, you can save. You have to save it. So this is the save button. You have to save your project. Then once you're done with the saving, then you have to, now here if you can click on the deploy, the list is open. So which is, you just need to click on the test deployment, okay? We are just testing this, how it works. So now it's loading, or you can do the test deployments, or you can actually create a new deployment, okay? The new deployment is actually the final the output of when we export something which is, we'll get the file, right? So it's the same kind of thing. Within this you can actually go with the number of versions to give a name. So like you can give any name. So I just gave 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then we have to press on deploy. Before this, so we are creating a web page, right? We have to select this option, okay, under settings, web app. Okay, now after this, so execute as, so you then so click on deploy. So now this web app link we have to copy it, okay, and now open a new tab and paste this. So now this is the web page. Now here we have to enter the hall ticket number. Now press on submit. So the results are here. So whatever we have entered in the, what do you say, this spreadsheet, the Google Sheets, so all the data will be pulled to here on the web page. All data will get pulled here. So here let's say this is 45 secured, right? So now if you can see here, it's 45 secured. So hall ticket number, it's 3001. So it's the same here, the beginning number. So now let's say it's 35. It's progressing, right? So now if you can see here, let's resubmit it. So it changed, right? So whatever the changes that you do here, so will actually reflect here. Okay.